Hey, bet you didn't know a hair dryer could do this. Meet the Duro WHD-254, a sleek, wall-mounted hair dryer built for efficiency and safety. With a powerful 1.2 motor and airflow over 15 meters per second, experience fast and effective drying. Optimized heat levels provide a comfortable air temperature of 65-15 degrees Celsius, preventing hair damage. IPX1 water splash protection makes it perfect for hotel and home bathrooms. Certified for quality and safety, trusted by professionals worldwide. Ergonomic design with a flexible coiled cord ensures effortless handling. Duro WHD-254 power, safety, convenience. Get yours today.